vegetable beef soup. You're going to need a chuck roast that you cut up. The reason why I get a chuck roast is stew meat's expensive. You can make it yourself by just getting a chuck roast on sale and cutting it up yourself. That's about a 2-pound roast. Now these are parsnips. I use 2. Beef stock. Turnips, I used 2, I chopped up. Celery stalks, I used 2 to chop up. Minced garlic, that's 3 cloves. Since I can't have tomatoes, I'm going to use tomato sauce. If you can have tomatoes, put tomatoes in it. The fresh, the best. And tomato juice. I know it don't look like a lot of liquids. We're going to add more water to it. But since I use my Better Than Bouillon Beef Base, there'll be plenty of liquids in it because I got enough of that in there to make the whole amount. On to the recipe. First thing you're going to do is turn your crock pot on high. Now we just add the stuff. Here's this meat going in. I'm just dumping everything in. And I have to just grab it out of the liquid that I put the stuff in. Turnips and parsnips will discolor when it's exposed to air, just like potatoes do. So I put it in a bowl with a little bit of lemon juice in it and water. That way it's not discolored. We just dump everything in there. Plus the fact I got more veggies going in too. I'm just doing this stuff first. There's a couple things that I didn't put in the intro, and that's the noodles, of course, but I also forgot to tell you about the green beans and carrots. They go in too. It's a bag of frozen one. I want to have plenty of veggies in my soup. Now all I got to do is open other cans and pour them in. It can't be vegetable soup without the carrots. Mind you, I'm not big on eating carrots, but I do like this because it's beef flavored. Now we're going to add the beef stock, which is 2 cups. Tomato sauce. And yes, I'll be mixing this up. Giving it a good old-fashioned stir. Get all the tomato sauce in there. That takes the place of my tomatoes. Tomato juice. I know we're going to have to add more water to it, and I might have to add more Better Than Bouillon in it too. No, it's almost there. Here's another 2 cups. See, it's beefy. Now I'll get a spoon and stir it up. I still would add tomato juice in it. Even if I could use tomatoes, I'd have them both in here. But since I can't have it, I use tomato sauce and tomato juice. Can't have the seeds. Those that can have seeds, use tomatoes. Don't forget to add the bag onions. That's not in the intro either. Then we'll give it another stir to make sure they're in there too. They got enough veggies in here. Put the lid back on and let it go for 3 to 4 hours. Now taste for the spices. I already added some more beef flavoring in there for Better Than Bouillon. Now I'm going to put some black pepper in it, because I like black pepper in my soup. There's enough salt in there. I just put some black pepper in there. And make sure you taste it to see if it has enough spices and everything. seasoning in it. That's good now. It just needed some black pepper. I'll let it finish cooking. This is what it looks like when it's done. All I did was put the soup in a bowl. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Have a good day.